Dating in Korean entertainment industry is not yet widely accepted as some of the fans are still sensitive to this topic. So idols and actors are trying to be careful because simple footage like this can turn into this. So here in this video, I'm going to show you idols try their best to avoid dating rumor. Before we start, idols may look rude trying to avoid rumors, but please try to understand them. They're doing it for everyone's peace. First is Day6's Younghae. Day6's Younghae and Baek Yerin know each other since their trainee days in JYP Entertainment. So when they finally reunited in Younghae's radio program, Yerin showed how much he misses Younghae and tried to hug him, which Younghae avoided and shook her hand instead. Next is ATEEZ's Hongjoong. The captain basically practiced social distancing well when girl group is around the corner. Lastly is GOT7's Bam Bam. During Jessie's guesting in Bam Bam's YouTube channel, Jessie just said that Bam Bam is not bad in a positive way.
근데 나는 뱀뱀도 나쁘지 않아.
And without any meaning.
안 돼.
왜 안 돼?
Bam Bam seems not ready with any dating rumors, so he ended up enumerating his flaws.
말랐잖아요. 저 뭐 지켜줄 거 아니에요.
야 나도 안 만나.